Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we bring you the most effective and profitable trading strategies. So guys, many people trade but they make losses in the last. You know why? Because of the proper knowledge of analysis guys. They don't know how effectively they can use their trading strategies and how they can manage their own balance guys. Okay. So guys, in this video we are going to learn all about the zigzag trading strategy with the parabolic, because guys this combination is really giving me some awesome results and helping me to maximize my profit guys. And of course guys, we will do some live trading. I will do here, you can see this is my live balance, and guys I will also share how you can use this trading concept effectively, what are the secrets, and in the last I'm definitely going to share some of my pro tips guys with you. All right, but before I start this video in the detail guys, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and keep your notifications on so that you never miss any trading concept or any strategy videos guys in future. Okay, one more thing guys, if you don't have your Quotex trading account, then you can create your trading account by using my link given in the description of this video guys. Okay, and you will get 10,000 of dollars demo balance guys. Okay, and guys I also provide free Quotex trading signals on my Telegram channel. You can join, and if you have any doubt like for deposit, withdrawal or signal, or you are unable to recover your past losses guys, then you can also text me on my Telegram ID. This is my personal Telegram ID guys. So now guys, let's understand what is the zigzag trading strategy. First, I'm clicking on this indicator section, just click on it. Okay, and click on zigzag section guys. Now you can see zigzag has been applied on my trading chart. Okay, so guys, zigzag trading strategy is a powerful tool that helps trader to identify key price reversal and trend of the market guys. Okay, it's based on the idea of that price tend to move in a series of highs and lows. Maybe you are not understanding what I'm saying, then let me simplify for you guys. Okay, so what is the concept guys? Zigzag pattern is formed by connecting significant high point and low point of the price. Let me make it more clear guys. You can see this is a high point, this is a low point, this is another low point and another high points guys. Okay, this one is low and high, another low point guys. So if I connect all these points like this, and so when I am connecting all these points of price, high points and low point of price, then I can see guys zigzag is forming. Okay, so guys this indicator also tells you the minor fluctuations of the price guys, and if you are not understanding, then you know I applied zigzag on my chart. So now I can see this is the low point, this is the high point, and this is low point. So now guys, with the help of zigzag I am able to see this is a low fluctuation guys, a small fluctuation of price guys. Okay, market was in uptrend, like from here to here was an uptrend, and a little fluctuation, a little fall in the market I can see with the help of this red line. This is zigzag line. Okay, so now I think you are understanding what is the zigzag and how this is forming on the chart guys. Okay, so guys let's wait guys. Okay, so first we have to guys identify the proper setting of the indicator. What is the actual setting, what setting you have to use while using the zigzag guys? So personally I recommend you just click on this icon and you can see there are 3 values guys. Okay, back step 3 and deviation 5, but depth is 12 guys, and I am suggesting you please change depth and use it 6 instead of 12 guys. Okay, when I am using it 6, then I can easily find all the levels guys. Okay, all the high points, all the low points of the price, no matter in down direction or in up direction. Okay, so now every low or every high I can see by using the zigzag with the value of 5, 6 and 3. Now what is the motive guys by using of zigzag? Okay, so when zigzag is moving upward, like this is upward movement, so it indicates an uptrend guys. All right, so this is a low point, and from this low point this zigzag is moving in the upward direction. That means market trend is going in uptrend and up direction. Then I will try to trade from here in up direction as much as possible. All right, and when this zigzag is going in downward direction, like here you can see, everywhere you can see even so when this zigzag is going in downward movement, and it's clearly saying me that for this particular time frame, okay, 2 minute candle is there already. So for this particular time frame, market is going in down direction because zigzag is showing me a down movement, guys. All right, in down direction. So that is the concept of zigzag. So guys, what we understand, guys, this is the basic concept I told you. But now guys, zigzag is also telling me the strategy. This is very powerful strategy. What is the strategy, guys? With the help of zigzag, if I connect all the points of high and low, then I can also find what is the support and what is the resistance. If you are not understanding, then these are the high point, I am connecting it, okay, and these all are the low points, I am also connecting it, okay. Again, these are the low points and these are the low points. So what is happening here, guys? You can see market went up, market took resistance, and zigzag is also forming a corner here, guys. All right, zigzag is also indicating there is a resistance, okay. Both market came down and nearby zigzag is forming, that means both these corners are support. Again, this one is also support, guys. All right, market came down, a support here, a nearby support, little false breakout, and market here taking what? Resistance. So if you don't know how resistance becomes support and how support becomes resistance, then you can comment below in this video, guys. Definitely I will try to explain you in my upcoming videos, guys. Okay, so now guys, these are the basic things about the zigzag. Now it's time to apply our parabolic. So just click on this indicator section and apply parabolic. And I also suggest you that first value you have to change it by 0.02 to 0.04. So now this has been applied on our trading chart, guys. Now it's time to trade. Okay, so here I can see a small resistance. So this is also a point you have to understand. If zigzag is going in uptrend like this and parabolic is also supporting, the position of parabolic is in down, okay, below the price, that means market will go in up direction and we can trade in up direction. But we have to see where is the where is the support or resistance. If we are trading nearby support or resistance, like here we can see a small resistance, guys. If we are trading here, that means we are going to place a risky trade, guys. Okay, market can come in down direction. Okay, so let's wait and watch the result of this trade, guys, and hopefully we are going to win this trade in next 37 seconds. Let's wait. So you have to understand, guys, okay, if I will lose this trade, then I have capabilities to recover this trade, but you have to be very careful while placing your trade, guys. Okay, so watch this video till the end, because after few minutes or in few seconds I am going to share some of my personal secrets or pro tips with you, guys. Okay, so let's wait. Why I placed a trade in up direction? Because I can see zigzag showing me a uptrend movement, guys, upward direction, and as per the last strategy video, guys, parabolic is below the price level. That means it's indicating us the market trend with up direction, and you can see, guys, we won the trade and made a good profit, guys. All right, so guys, for down direction trend, you have to see where is the zigzag. If zigzag is coming in downtrend and parabolic is supporting from above to below like this, then you are getting a good confirmation. But another thing you have to see, guys, is there any support level or not. If any support is existing, then you will not trade until breakdown happens, guys. All right, so these are the confirmations. Now it's time to see some pro tips, guys. All right, first of all, if you are trading by using this concept of parabolic and zigzag, then you need to do some back testing of this trading strategy, guys. All right, back testing means like zigzag is in uptrend and parabolic is in uptrend, that means market also should be in uptrend, guys. All right, for downtrend, if parabolic and zigzag both are coming in downtrend like this, then price also should be in downtrend, guys. All right, so these are the back testing you have to do. And guys, one more thing, you have to use also your stop loss and risk management. These things are very important, guys. All right, So if you are trading randomly, if you don't use your stop loss or you are not following your risk management, then you may lose your amount, guys. Backtesting means that zigzag movement is in down direction, parabolic is in also down, but candles are going up. That means you are getting false signal here. You will not trade in down direction because conditions are different, guys. Parabolic is going opposite what you are analyzing. All right, so these are the basic concept, guys. And better you use any oscillator like MACD, RSI, or anyone you can use, guys, with these concepts, with the zigzag and parabolic. And make sure, guys, you always use these strategy with these particular values, guys. All right, like 563 and 0.04 to 0.02, guys. These are the manual settings which you have to do, guys, on your trading chart. Okay, so guys, that's it. And make sure to check out our other trading videos, guys, where I covered so many trading strategies, tips and techniques, and that can help you to succeed in Quotex trading. And guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your notifications on. And you can also join me on my Telegram channel, where I provide you free Quotex trading signals, guys. See you in the next video.